Hello, I am Michael Sun, the head of the KG5 Charity Committee. To those of you who have dressed casual or worn a hat, thank you for supporting our 4 school charities and Brain Tumor Research UK. The Charity Committee has introduced a new fundraising initiative called Peer-to-Peer Fundraising. Tutor groups set a fundraising goal they wish to achieve by term 3, with tutees raising money individually through any method they like. This can include sponsored walks, auctions, and arts and crafts sales. The money they raise will be counted towards their house. Houses can earn points based on their funds raised rank. Please join this initiative to support our school charities, to earn points for your house, to take on a personal challenge, and ultimately to feel proud of yourself. More details are available in the PowerPoint posted on the bulletin. If you have any questions, please direct them to members of the Charity Committee or your house captains. Thank you.
Hello there, KG5. My name is Mika Sant, and I'm very excited to be involved in your inter-house music competition this year. I'm a professional singer and actor here in Hong Kong. I trained in London and worked there for about 5 years before moving to New York, and then working in Asia, Hong Kong, touring up in China with musicals. And well, that was until the coronavirus hit. So now mostly I work as a singing teacher until the theaters open up again. So I've had the absolute delight of hearing 8 of your singers from different houses, I understand. And I am so impressed by the caliber. I mean, you guys have to get together and do a concert or a musical or something, because you guys are spectacular, really. It's been enjoyable listening to your tracks, and I've had it.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? Or let the eagle tell you where he's been? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? In all your gorgeous colors, I promise I'll love you for the rest of my life. See you standing in that dress, swear in front of all our friends there'll never be another. I promise I'll love you for the rest of my life. Now we're sitting here.
Hello everyone, I'm Yimwan, judge of the piano category. I'm so honored to get the opportunity to listen to all the wonderful pianists. This year has not been easy for many of us, and as a musician, I have to judge the competition virtually. The standard is very high this year and it was very close between competitors. Remember, we are always working and practicing hard to improve technically and musically. Hope to see you perform live in the near future and good luck!
Hello, I am Dan Yu, the judge for the instrumental category. I got my Master of Music degree from Peabody Conservatory of the Johns Hopkins University and also an artist diploma from Indiana University in the US. Currently, I am the harp instructor of Hong Kong Academy for Performing Arts and also the music director of Hong Kong Harp Chamber.
And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are shining through like a rainbow. You always said you needed someone to hold when the nights are getting cold. So bring back the color in my life, 'cause I've been dreaming in black and white. I wanna see it through your eyes. It's up to you to make things right. Lie with me here in the dark. Feel the beating of my heart, fixing all your broken parts. I'll be safer in your arms.
In the town where I was born,
it's not just a game. You can throw me away. I put all I had on the line,
And I give and you take, and I played the high stakes. I've won and I've lost, but I'm fine.
Hear me say I'll rise until the end. Hear me say I'll stand up for my friends. And I crash to the ground, but it's just my own sound. I dropped in the blink of an eye. I'm colorblind.
And your Milky Way fight won't stop my delight. Give me and love me away. And it's dark and it's bright. It's your colorful pride that kept me here 9,000 days. Hear you say your eyes here again. In the end, we'll lift our golden hands. Yes, we'll spark, you and I will be colorblind. And these are the lives that we gain. Hear me say I'll rise up to the end. Hear me say I'll stand beside my friends. I won't stay on the floor. I will set on this floor. I stumble, I fall, and I break. Colorblind,
Hear me say it's time we stopped our hate. I die, we see a different fate.
Yes, we conquered the war with love at the core. I stumble, I fall, but I'll stay. Colorblind.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. And rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. But I know there are wrong ways
You think I'm an ignorant savage. You've been so many places, I guess it must be so. But still I cannot see if the savage one is me. How can there be so much that you don't know? You don't know.
You think you are whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people that are equal are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? Or ask the grinning wildcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden trails of the forest. Taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you. And for once, never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends. And we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a group that never ends. How high does a sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know, and you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon. For whether we are white or copper skinned, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. Paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still all you'll own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind.
Hello, my name is Jessica Cummings, and I am an adjunct professor at the Peabody Institute of the Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, Maryland. I have taught everything from elementary general music, middle school general music and choir, and high school general music and choir. It was a pleasure to hear all four groups. I think you all did a wonderful job. Keep up the great work. Thank you so much.
And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. And it's not just a game, you can throw me away. I put all I had on the line.
And I give and you take, and I played the high stakes. I've won and I've lost, but I'm fine.
Hear me say I'll rise up to the end. Hear me say I'll stand up for my friends. And I crash to the ground, but it's just my own sound. I dropped in the blink of an eye. I'm colorblind.
And your Milky Way flight won't stop my delight. Give me and love me away. And it's dark and it's bright. It's your colorful pride that kept me here 9,000 days. Hear you say your eyes serene. In the end, we'll lift our golden hands. Yes, we'll spark, you and I will be colorblind. These are the lives that we gain. Hear me say I'll rise up to the end. Hear me say I'll stand beside my friends. I won't stay on the floor. I will set on this floor. I'll stumble, I'll fall, and I'll break. Colorblind, 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 colorblind.